Hello, I'm GoldenClaws, and today we're going to play with this Play-Doh ice cream set that we just got. And right now I'm going to tell you what's inside the ice creams, and we're going to make a new one. So, first, in your cherry blossom, there are mint chips, a cherry on, and strawberry icing, some chocolate icing, and we don't really know what kind of ice cream this is, so we're going to skip to this one, which is strawberry cold slushy. It has lemon flavored star, strawberry ice cream, and the ice cream that we don't know. So now we're going to go on to it's called sucking bubble, and it has blueberry and strawberry on with strawberry icing, and some more with strawberry icing and more blueberry. So we're going to put the cone here, and more slushy cold mix, we're going to use some blue. We're making our smoothie slushy, and it's going to take a while. Now we're putting strawberry into our smoothie slushy. So now we're going to push it in, and then we're going to put this here, and then we're going to push the lever, and then after this we're going to do more blueberry. Now we're putting more blueberry in. Push this, and voila! Now we're taking it out and putting the pink blob on, which is strawberry. And our smoothie slushy is done. Now I want you to know which ice cream is your favourite. So my favourite was smoothie slushy. Whichever favourite your one is, click the comments below, and please subscribe. Bye!